So guys, I'm going to show you how to turn off the automatic blocker for your Samsung Galaxy. So just for a sample, you might want to download an app, but it's not letting you. So this is pretty simple. Swipe on the top right. Press the gear icon. Scroll down. Select security and privacy. Scroll down. Select auto blocker. So what you can do here is turn it off. You notice that's going to turn on automatically after 30 minutes. So yeah, then go to My Files and go and install it. So now I should be able to install it. You also may have to allow permission. Alright guys, thanks for watching.